Jai Hind everyone, how are you guys? This is Amaldeep and today is time of 28th of March 2025. Yes guys, and as you know that guys, we regular connect sequence wise. Yes, I mean this connectivity purpose we work ourselves to improve knowledge capacity and to improve our personality development. Yes, basically we work on personality development, how to explain and how to solve any particular cases, any case related to our life, our study, our basic environment. Yes, so guys, this is regular basis work, and we regular work we regular do this work. Yes guys, this is the time for doing and gaining more knowledge, because this is the time of most important time, most important in the sense of no repeat again in this time. Yes, no repeat coming again in this time. Yes, definitely. So do proper work, and we also proper work guys. Yes, definitely we also proper work, like more knowledge gaining, more practice, more doing practice of more questions, and more more workout, like physical workout, like mental workout. Yes, basically we work also mental workout. We will start soon, definitely tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow we will start mental workout. Yes, फिजिकल तो मैं कर ही रहा हूँ, उसके बाद ये ऑफलाइन तो कर ही रहे हैं, देन also we work on mentally. Yes, because uh, all works have done by me in the sense of सब चीज़ तो हम ही लोग को करना है, किसके भरोसे छोड़ना है कि हाँ ये वो कर देगा, ये वो करेगा, कोई किसी के भरोसे नहीं रहता है, ठीक है ना. दिस इज़ द टाइम टू डू समथिंग स्पेशल फॉर योर लाइफ, योर गोल, योर अचीवमेंट, योर एवरीथिंग. Yes, and most important part is discipline. Yes, we work on discipline guys, but this is the main thoughts, what happened in after some time. Think about your future, your future, not future. You face me guys, like what is conversation, future and future. There is two different meaning of this sentence. Yes, future and future. Future in the sense of after some days, what is doing after some days, and future it means what is its feature. Feature means इसका क्या क्या ये इसका काम है. Yes, what which works about this. Yes, so in this language particularly, अलग अलग different meaning. Yes, and if you remember that we talking about AI related yesterday videos. Yes, definitely today I ask a question from AI. My question is, AI, hello AI, can you solve my all questions related AI? Then his answer, yes, definitely. And his answer more tools, he explained. Yes, it explain it, basically it use. Yes, most it use because this is machine, and we try to understand that is particular, yes, it. Then it is responsible to response to me like these AI tools you should must watch and do practice on this time, then improve. If you beginner, yes, he tell me he telling me, if you beginner, then and you definitely follow these step, like first, second, third, more steps, guys. Yes, definitely. And this is the main thoughts. A student like government whose preparation of government jobs, like any government jobs, and a student is want to join armed forces. Yes, our Indian armed forces, like join, I mean, he wants to join Indian armed forces. And a student, he wants to more knowledge gaining about AI. Yes, a student wants to uh, self business, more big business, self created big business related to our future goal achievement. Yes, definitely. So basically in this time, all all peoples, all persons, like more more thinking and doing our for create our golden future. Yes. And uh, I think some percentage of student whose doesn't matter what is going on your future. Yes, what is doing after 2 year, after 4 year, 5 year, after 10 years, what is doing on after 10 years, it avoid it. he is he is avoid it. Yes. And enjoy more this time, and like fix comfortable zone, like, yes, definitely. He take a fix comfortable zone, and only eating, only sleeping, only video was watching video on the YouTube and Instagram and Facebook, and more matches watch on Hotstar. Yes, I also know, I am also knowing about this is person, I mean, like this person. Yes, मतलब मैं ऐसा भी आदमी को जानता हूँ बहुत मेरे सर्किल में. यस, डेफिनेटली. सो full and finally my point of view, full and finally, like everything is possible if we know that, and our mentality is pure. Focus on your goal, on our goal, not your goal, because my aim is my goal. Our aim is our goal. Yes, not your, guys, because I not suggest you to do this, because everyone choice, everyone has different choice. Yes. And we are a doer and learner in this time. Yes, definitely. And we do our best. Yes, in this time, present time. Basically, guys, this is first of all, in 1 minute I sharing with you about my. Yes, because we work on our personality, sorry to say, but in this time we not proper share with you guys, I mean, what is going on in this time in my life. Yes. So basically now we are restart. This is Amardeep, guys, and welcome, I mean, big welcome to all, because this is the time to enjoy it. Yes, definitely. And guys, if you want to do something special for your life, your goal, your aim, then and stand up and do proper work with consistency. And definitely, guys, I'm 100% sure, definitely, yes, definitely we will get it. So yes, but definitely it take take it sometimes, but uh, it is clear that guys, everything is possible with everything is possible with honesty and hard work. Yes, in this time we are a doer and we are a learner and we are also hard worker and we are also knower in the sense of जानने वाला सीखने वाला ये सब चीज़. Yes, yes, definitely. And everyone know that morning running is very important part of our life, and we run regular more than 3 kilometers. Yes, more than 3 kilometers. Basically today we run about 7 kilometers. Yes guys, 17th round. Yes, 17th round we run. I think one round is 400 meters. Yes, and 70 round is say 68 meters, 6800 meter. But I think approx 7 kilometer we run. Yes, today. And guys, today is very interesting day and very we enjoy it guys, because if we do proper work with consistency and our choice is big, then no anybody to stop you. Yes, no anybody to stop you. So basically do proper work with consistency. Okay, okay guys, see you tomorrow on next video. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद all of you guys.